What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So what is going on with the overall market today? Have you seen my tweet today? I have shared one trade today on my Twitter account, and congratulations to those who have entered the trade. Hi Chill, can you please check MKR? Let's check MKR. These are one of the cryptos that I have mentioned on my previous stream. And let's check what is happening. Yeah, I think it's pumping, and let's try to catch the short. All right, let me pull up my screen. Welcome to the stream, guys. We have Operative and Maita Martina joining me today. Let me find my window capture. All right. Crypto bubble. We have Casper negative 8.4, strongest mover yesterday. One of the strongest mover yesterday. We have also RVN Luna Classic here, negative 4%. This is also one of the trades that I've shared in the VIP, and right now we are up by almost 80%. We have also Philip watching, joining us in our stream. Ethereum also down by 3.3%. We have also Aave, XMR, Uni, Algorand, CVX. I don't know what is CVX. If you know what coin is this, let me know in the comment section down below. Going to our extreme, going to our fear and greed index, still in the extreme fear level, but right now we are still hovering almost on the same level for the past few weeks right now. And again, I'm gonna repeat, guys, watch out for the possible bottom of Bitcoin. Usually when fear and greed index hit below or around 10, that will be, I think, the possible bottom price for Bitcoin. So let's check if we'll be able to reach 10 in the coming days, or maybe on November. Let's check as well the amount of liquidation, and right now we have long and short ratio here, 5-minute time frame. BitFinex almost 84% are in long position. We have imbalance here, imbalance, and also DYDX we have 94% are in short. Kraken 100% shorting. Let's see what will happen. Let's also check the amount of liquidation here. CVX is Convex Finance coin. There's a lot of fuss about it recently. Oh, really? I haven't checked about it, but thanks for the info, Operative. We have here 72% long has been liquidated in the past 4 hours. The amount of liquidation is very, very thin at $5 million here. Let's check in the past 24 hours. Same volume is not there, and I think most of the retails are not attracted right now with the market, but I think most of the traders are interested, and also not the traders, but the whales right now are accumulating, guys. We have the biggest outflow of Bitcoin today since June. So I think someone is accumulating, or some of the whales are accumulating Bitcoin on this current level right now. Maybe we're expecting a pump before a huge dump. I'm gonna show you one chart for Bitcoin. We have also Suresh Babu watching the stream right now. Thanks for joining me, guys. So let's proceed. This is one chart that I have shared on my Twitter account, and I have shared several trades in the VIP. Some of those have hit the stop loss, because most of the trades that I've shared recently are higher risk, because we don't have much movement in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now we're trying our luck in high risk trades, but so far we have mostly winning trade, and some stop loss has been hit. So I have shared one on my Twitter account, and this is the same entry as what we have in the VIP. So storage short entry point earlier at around 0.4546 up to 0.46, and stop loss just a little bit above 0.0. Where's the number here? Here, 0.4673 is the stop loss for this trade. And here's the result, guys. 200%, and I think this went up to 250% today. I have taken 50% of the profit and taken another 30% at 250%. So here's the trade update, guys. 243% using 50x leverage. I agree with you, Maita Martina. Smash that like button. So also, if you are here in Dubai, day to day, if you know day to day, I went there a while ago, just dropped by. I saw the sign that they're accepting crypto, so I decided to drop by and check, and they're really accepting crypto. So one of the first retail to accept cryptocurrency. They're accepting USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD Coin, and Tron. And what a nice approach there from day to day. One of the first. And I'm also trying to implement right now crypto payments in some of the partners that I'm working with. So I'm trying to figure out which is the best crypto payment gateway here in UAE. If you know, I'm already looking at 2 companies here in UAE. If you know something, let me know in the comment section. So day to day started to accept crypto, and I also tried to order in their online store. It's actually working. It's actually working, guys. And also, I have been spending my cryptos recently. So here, guys, I've shared with you last time BitRefill. So I have been spending my crypto gains in futures here in BitRefill. So I have Deliveroo, Lulu, IKEA, Amazon, Costa, Carrefour, Deliveroo, Nando's, Magic Planet, and so on. So I'm enjoying spending my gains right now in this bear market. Enjoying spending crypto. So next is, let's check some of the news before we proceed with the chart. And by the way, just a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, we have also Islamic videos here joining us in our live stream today. Philip, will there ever be some live trading where can all trade with you in voice chat? That is going to be fun. Let's try it someday. If I have free time, maybe I'll we have actually voice chat, and let me check if someone is using it actually. Here we have actually voice channel, so you can hang out using our voice channel and we can chat and trade live, I think. When there is like micro cap crypto that is pumping and ready to correct, then we can actually join the fun together and get wrecked together. So let's check, guys, on the news here before we proceed with the chart. All right, so here, this was posted or published 3 hours ago. Bitcoin mirrors 2020 pre-breakout, but analysts at odds whether this time is different. So right now, we are following almost the 2020 pre-breakout, guys. So let's check if are we going to break out above or break out below. BTC price performance weakness after another crack at resistance near 20,000. So we have seen yesterday, I've discussed the chart of the Bitcoin trying to break out from the resistance trend line. And let's check today if Bitcoin was able to break that resistance or if Bitcoin got rejected. Bitcoin 19,387 failed to break the 20,000 despite a new weekly high on October 18 as market watchers waited for action. We don't have much volume to push the price higher, especially when looking at this amount of liquidation. Usually 24 hours normal trade in bear market will be around 110, 140, 150 million dollar, but right now we are just seeing $30 here. This is $30 million. This is very, very thin volume. There's no actually much volume in the market. So if someone will pump Bitcoin or will dump Bitcoin, it will actually, if someone else will plan to drop or pump Bitcoin, then it will be easily manipulated because of the very, very thin volume in most of our exchanges that we have. Binance, Bybit, OKX. You can actually check the amount of volume in coin market cap using derivatives trading, and you can check the trading volume there. It's actually very low, and it's continuing to go lower as we head on, or as Bitcoin and Ethereum moves on sideways channel, because I think some of the trader or some of the retails think it's boring. But I think this is the best time right now to be in the market. If you're accumulating for long term, we are almost near the bottom. I think we are still, we are approaching the possible bottom now. So just hang on and hold on to that USDT. Soon, if we see the opportunity, we're going to unleash most of our what do you call that, our ammo. All right, so here, going back to the news, guys, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD defying volatility once again on the day. The pair stayed noticeably stable despite a stronger move for United States equities at Wall Street Open. At the time of writing, S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite Index were up by 1.5% and 1.2%. So as what I've said and as what we have discussed daily here in the show, Bitcoin is following S&P 500. So almost in the past few months, Bitcoin has been following the move of S&P 500. That's why I have been sharing with you the possible resistance and support for S&P 500, because that's the area where S&P will bounce and also get rejected. Same with Bitcoin. We have also, I had bottom is 17.5 to 18K. We have also Ray France watching the stream. We have the one and only Chill, the greatest inconsistent trader. We are going to 6K. Wow. Have you watched the interview? I think you have been watching too much of YouTube shows. Recently, Gareth Soloway. Let me show you. Let me show you one article here. Gareth Soloway. Let's actually go to KUCOIN. Let me see. KUCOIN News. All right. So Gareth Soloway's target is actually 3,500 for Bitcoin, and this guy here. Where is that interview? This is the interview from Altcoin Daily. Here. Here's the interview from Gareth Soloway, guys. So his worst case scenario for Bitcoin is $3,500, and I have actually met Gareth rather, in Futures Blockchain Summit here in World Trade Center. All right, and I've talked to him personally. I asked him about his outlook about the market. I have listened to his talks, and of course, I have taken picture with him. So there's actually a lot. If you know, Coin Bureau was there, Altcoin Daily was there, Gareth Soloway, BitBoy Crypto was there. So did I share it here? So here's with Austin and Aaron from Altcoin Daily. Here's BitBoy Crypto, and Moon Carl was there as well. And of course, Gareth here, Gareth Soloway. So his forecast, interview here with kitco.com, his forecast and worst case scenario is $3,500 for Bitcoin. My goodness, currently my average right now is at 18,000. If we're going to 3.5, I'm going to get wrecked really hard. But don't worry, I am still holding. Most of my USDT is ready to be unloaded once we go down. But I'm going to stick with my own analysis, guys. So we will be able to prove that in the coming years. Not now, not next year, but in the coming years, if I'm correct or if you're correct. All right. So nobody knows, but I'm going to stick with my own analysis. And let's see. All right, so let's proceed. Going back to the news here, after over a month of near straight line down price action, a bounce was needed. All right, so we need a bounce. Bitcoin, come on. What are you doing? So here's one chart, guys. Here's one chart. So we have here, I think this is using Elliott Wave here. I don't know which, whose analysis is this. This is from Crypto Tony, more conservative potential BTC coming in the coming week, flagging the area of 20,000 as likely place for a longer term trajectory decision to be made. So here from this level at around $19,000 here, his trajectory is going to, we have here YXY, WXY, and also BC. We have here A, B, and C wave. And also we have here the bigger trend line. This is you're looking at the 1 hour time frame, guys. So this is smaller time frame. I have my own chart. Let me share it with you. And also one more news, by the way. Let's go back. Let's finish this news and why we're following actually the 2020 pre-breakout. All right, so here's one of the data here. It was literally the same amount at the price level. Over 100 million in liquidity was eaten to kick off the bull run. I don't think we're going to bull run anytime soon. We are still in an overall bear market, and we have actually Dixie, or the inflation is still going up. The Fed hasn't really solved the main issue here, which is the inflation. So let's see, maybe they'll continue to hike in the coming months, and maybe that will affect Bitcoin. But right now the data is showing most of the consumer are still buying. Even the record for the iPhone 14 Pro Max pre-order, that means that the retail or the consumer still has the money. But once the consumer or the most of the consumer runs out of cash, then that is a time where we realize the big problem, and maybe a sharp drop, not only for the traditional stock market but also for Bitcoin. So all right, so here's the data showing that over 100 million in ask liquidity was eaten to kick off the bull run here. And also this is one analyst from Twitter, Crypto Capo. If you have been following him, it's very good to follow his trade. Just do the opposite. Just kidding. So another data here showing that the whales are actually accumulating, guys, is $740 million in Bitcoin exits exchanges. This means that they have bought Bitcoin and taken out Bitcoin out of the exchanges. So one reason is, if you're going to keep Bitcoin for long term, of course you're going to buy Bitcoin through exchange or off exchange. If it's like billion or $1 billion of Bitcoin, you can buy it off exchange. But this one, $740 million in Bitcoin exits the exchange, which means this is going to be transferred in either cold storage or either Trust Wallet or some other individual wallet. Wow, we have a lot of chats going on here. We have here we have a lot of chat. Look at the Dixie monthly chart. All right, that's interesting. I haven't actually tried to check the monthly chart, but let's move on with the chart, guys. It's already 11 p.m. on my my time here. All right, so here's one data, guys, that the whales are starting to accumulate on this current level here. 740 million Bitcoin exits exchanges, the biggest outflow since June BTC price crash. Bitcoin price technical, however, remains bearish, with BTC price eyeing to run down towards 14,000 in the Q4. My goodness, this is also my possible bottom target for Bitcoin. So let's check. Are you ready for $14,000? Let me know in the comment section. Are you buying when Bitcoin is actually going to hit $14,000? Maybe when Bitcoin hit $14,000, you will say, oh, this is going to hit 3,500. So I'm going to wait. So let's see. But for me, guys, not a financial advice. In my own opinion, I'm starting to accumulate Bitcoin below 18,500. And that is already my current average. And for Ethereum, I have started to buy back some of my Ethereum. Previously, I've bought Ethereum at $1,000, sub 1,000, sold everything at $2,000. Same with my Polygon Matic. Right now, I'm waiting for possible revisit of the previous low, and then I'm going to reaccumulate. For now, I'm enjoying trading and also spending cryptos in this bear market. And also, of course, we had a lot of good gains during the bull market. So bear market, is time to enjoy, relax, and of course reaccumulate, guys. During the bull market, we're not going to buy, but before the takeoff, we're going to find those gems and make sure your bags are ready next time, because we're going to sell on the way up. And we're going to trade. The support, we sell on resistance, we buy in support. That's the strategy during the bull market. In this bear market, we sell the resistance, we buy the support. All right. So Bitcoin forming a bear market floor. I'm going to show you one chart here, by the way, here. Why we are heading to $14,000. So this is Bitcoin US dollar 3-day Bitstamp chart here. So this is forming cup and possible handle pattern here. So looking at the daily time frame here, I don't know if I can replicate this in the 1 hour time frame. Let's try. So here, this is part of the cup, right? So cup, and this is the handle, guys. Let me just, all right. So here's the cup and here's the handle here. Let's use actually parallel channel here. So here's the handle. And the target of this, usually for cup and handle pattern, will be the top of this cup and here. All right, so let's measure it and let's compare the target of this to the article that we're reading right now. All right. So let's say Bitcoin will pump at least here. All right, middle of the cup. So let's consider this one, the first resistance, key level resistance, guys. So target is around 14,500 level based on this cup and handle pattern. And based on this article here, they started to measure on the neckline. All right, so let's try the neckline, guys, because usually for parallel channel, the breakout will be from the top or the resistance channel of the parallel channel. But let's try to measure it using the neckline here. So possible neckline, let's try to use this key level support. So that's around 13,253. Let me actually share this. BTC interesting cup and handle pattern. All right. What do you think? All right, let me share this. So their target for this cup and handle pattern is around 13,976. So that's around $14,000. And here on the daily time frame, of Bitcoin, I have taken the all right. So this is long enough. Let's just follow this key level support. All right. So that's around almost the same number, 13,600. Still, this will remain as my bottom and possible wave 5 target, guys. November to December, from $14,000 to $16,000 possible bottom price for Bitcoin. My target remains the same. I'm gonna stick to my plan. So if we go lower, then maybe I'll start to DCA more. But for now, I'm gonna stick with my plan and my target for Bitcoin. Well, all right. Just wondering what's bottom because we're close. Philip, that's good idea. Look at the Dixie monthly chart. Let's try to look at the Dixie monthly chart. And by the way, looking at this Bitcoin, I forgot. So that's the news, guys. Let's proceed with the chart. Let's proceed with Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin here, Bitcoin guys, we have yesterday I've discussed this resistance trend line, already 11 p.m. So let's make this fast. Resistance trend line here, possible breakout. Actually, we got rejected. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Now we are back to this is the key level support right now that needs to hold, guys. All right. So let me color this pink. Let's make it orange actually. So this will now be the key level support that needs to hold to maintain this bullish momentum here. So we are still forming higher lows here. Overall, we're forming higher low. But if we break down, or if the daily candle closes below this orange line here, then the trend is already broken. As what you can see, no daily candle have closed below this orange line. So if Bitcoin can maintain this one here, there is still a possibility of a breakout to the upside and a possible revisit of 20,500 here. So for now, watch out for the daily candle close, guys. All right, if this goes lower, then there will be a higher chance of a revisit of 16,000 or this major support for Bitcoin. Exactly rejected from the resistance trend line. Right, let me share this in the VIP, same chart. Also, I'm gonna share it on Twitter. Bitcoin chart update as per the latest stream. All right, that's okay. Also, let me share this in our VIP Discord. Let's move on to S&P 500. Let's check it very quickly before we head on to some other charts. Right, this is storage, and by the way, storage as well. Let me give you an update. Wow, let me check my trade. Ooh, 300%. One sec, guys, one sec. Oh, we have our Luna Classic 120%. Let me actually show you some of our trades in the VIP today. 300%. Wow. One sec, guys. One sec. Let me just... Where is Luna? 123%. Also, storage. 300%. Where's storage? All right, so let me share this with you guys. And one more. H bar. Although we have some trades today that stop loss was hit. One of them was Ocean that I've shared just a few hours ago. H bar, let me just update here, 173%. All right, so just a quick update, guys. Let me just show you some of our trades here. So for storage, let me share this as well on Twitter and in the in our Telegram group. Let me share this in our Telegram group. All right, one sec. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, so here, so what you can see, guys, these are the some of our trades today. Luna Classic, I've shared this a few hours ago in the announcement section of our VIP. We have also H bar 173% and storage at 302%. And the same chart was actually shared on my Twitter account when the price was just hovering on our entry point here. So let me just update Let me just update the chart here, because some of my followers on Twitter has been following my trades here, even though it's not a financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So again, do your own research. Don't FOMO in most of the trades here. But here's one chart, guys. All right, so here's the original post when storage was just hovering on our short entry point here early this afternoon. Storage 300% on fire. All right, so here's the update for the storage chart, guys, and my possible target will be the previous support here. So let's check if storage will be able to hit this target. Let me take some profit first. Just give me 1 minute. One minute. H bar, I'm taking profit here. Taking profit for H bar. I'm gonna leave 20%. Moonshot. For Luna Classic, I'm taking 80% here. All right, so we're safe. We are safe. We're safe. Let me go back to our stream. Sorry, guys, because this is the real life of if you're a trader and you need to watch your trade. So that's for storage. Let me check some of the comments here. We have a lot of chat, actually. Sweet man. Laughing out loud. Philip, we should make VIP a DAO and vote on it. Stop watching everyone else on YouTube, but only you. Wow. I think we're going to 14 to 12K and pump to 30 to 40K. Dump hard. Oh, all right. We have also, that would be nice. Imagine Wasim faster. Chill is on the same voice chat. It's good time to hear 16K range. Oh my goodness, it's going to be exciting. We'll be in rally 22 to 25K, then dump. Need to hit short liquidity as Chelsea just in November, December, possible bottom. DXY, and also watch out for. I'm gonna share with you some article discussing about possible huge drop this January. So let's check what's the market status as we move along, guys. For now, cash is gold. Apple dumped the market. Early 20s happened. BTC, here comes 20K, $10,000. I will buy altcoin. TRB short TA. Short possibility for sushi. Ave, please. Can you please check Solana? We have a lot of chart requests here. I want to join VIP Telegram group. Telegram group is free, so just head on to the link is in the description down below. Check out Linktree. All my social media accounts are there. So that's for 11-12. So that's for storage, guys. Let's check S&P 500 very quickly here. Where is S&P 500? Here. MKR, I almost forgot MKR. I have my notes here. Ultron. Let me know about Ultron, guys. What do you think about Ultron? And also, let's proceed with S&P 500. So again, S&P 500 got rejected exactly on R2 level here, and currently trading below R1. So let's check. As what I've discussed in the previous stream, guys, these are the two resistances that I'm looking at for S&P 500, and this will be the level, orange line. Same with Bitcoin. We have orange line here for Bitcoin, the level to maintain bullish momentum. If this breaks down, price close below orange line, then we might possibly revisit the lower levels here at around 18,500 up to 18,000. The next support for Bitcoin will be this major support from 17,700 up to $18,000, and S&P 500, Bitcoin will follow the move here from S&P 500. So also watch out for this orange line for S&P 500. If this breaks down below, then possible revisit of this 200 MA, and worst case scenario, if this is going to break down, then next support that I'm looking at will be this zone support at around 3,200 up to 3,300. Smash those likes. All right, so let's proceed with Ethereum, and then we'll check some chart requests here. Ethereum, I have one chart here, exactly got rejected. If you have watched the previous stream yesterday, I have discussed this level, guys. So again, I'm going to repeat, this remains valid until we have a breakout to the upside or to the downside. So this was discussed already yesterday. I'm going to repeat it one more time. This Ethereum is still trading within this range. Support at 1,250, 1,230 to 1,267 here, and resistance, this red line, 1,335. And if you are in our BITGET, in my BITGET copy trade, I have shorted Ethereum a while ago at 1,325 or 1,330 level, and I've closed the trade at 8% 5x leverage. All right, so this remains valid until we see a breakout to the downside or breakout to the upside. And right now, this is still oscillating in between support and resistance, so don't panic. We're still on the same level for almost 60 days now. Let's check the daily time frame. Here's the two price action yesterday, as discussed in the previous stream. So that's very clear, guys. That's very clear here. You see, we have here a sideways channel, support and resistance. Exactly, Ethereum got rejected from the same level. So if you're trading futures, congratulations if you have shorted Ethereum. Here's one of the trade a while ago. BITGET copy trade. So here's my entry point a while ago, shorted Ethereum at 1,330. That is based on this chart, 1,330. So around this level, I have shorted Ethereum. I have already closed my short position at 1,309. Oh no, I've closed lower. I've closed the trade lower. Let's check, 1,309, somewhere here. I've closed the trade here because I saw some support on this level, but I could have held longer here, but that's okay. Profit is profit. So here's the result. If you want to do copy trade, always, or by the way, if you want to sign up to BITGET, if you will sign up to BITGET, you will also get a chance to win the iPhone 14 Pro Max sign up and trade bonus. All right, so if you're using BITGET, if you want to sign up, use my referral link in the description down below, and you can get trading bonus for signing up, and also some USDT bonus for signing up, and you will get a chance to win iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's proceed with let's go back to Ethereum. Ethereum, same chart, guys. Again, this was the previous price action that I've shared yesterday. So this remains valid until a breakout to the upside or breakout to the downside. All right, so that's for Ethereum, guys. Same chart. Let me share this on my Twitter account so some can follow. ETH or ETH chart update. As discussed yesterday, ETH is still trading on a sideways channel. This remains valid until breakout. All right, so that's for Ethereum. Let's check MKR. I think we missed MKR. Let's check if we can still short it. Where is MKR? MKR, where are you? LM. Approaching. V-shaped recovery. We have resistance here, but the wicks will kill us. Let's check how many percent. Oh my goodness. Wait a little bit if you want to. This is huge, and because of this one wick here to the upside, this increases our risk. So stop loss is a little bit high, 10% here. If you are going to enter at around this area, then you can minimize, but still 5%. I'm gonna enter short. Small amount. But this is going to be very, 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 very high risk. $500 maybe. Stop loss. My stop loss will just be 1139. How many percent is that? One sec. All right. This is very near. I've entered 50x. My stop loss was very near. One sec. Let me just adjust my position here. My stop loss was very near. Using 50x 1099 1 that's 7%, 4%. Here, if you want to enter short right now, this is very high risk. Because as what you can see, the stochastic RSI is still pointing up, and the blue line is still above orange here, and same with the MACD. This is still pointing up, but we can catch like possible short here. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement, because actually we have a resistance on this level here. This blue line, this is in confluence with the resistance here. On the previous support rather turned into a resistance. If you're going to check the left-sided chart, we have also here previous support. This now turns into a resistance. I've shorted it at the current level. I'm still looking at possible stop loss area. So I think I'm just gonna stick with my stop loss at around this area here, 1137. 1137. Let's check. 1137. Let's see how it goes. Not a financial advice. 1137. All right. Take profit near 1036 first. My hand's getting wet. 1036. And second, let me mark this. First TP. This is the daily time frame, guys, that we're looking at. So make sure you adjust properly your position size and risk. So these are the three take profit zone up to this point here, maximum this point here. Let's actually check here the let's find it's actually trading above 61.8. Let's see how it goes. This is my trade setup right now. So I've entered here at the current level. A stop loss will be red line. My entry will be blue line. So let's check. Short entry here. That's my short entry point right now. And my stop loss here. All right. So let's see how it goes. My TP will be the white lines. So that's for MKR. Again, if you want to be, if you want to enter a safer position, wait for possible price to visit at around 1195 area. 1195, because we have candle wicks up to this level here. So what you can see here, we have candle wicks. So safer stop loss will be this red line. And if you want a safer entry, let me just mark this. Safer short entry. All right. Stop loss above here. Red line. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. Short. Let's consider this top blue line. So that's 2.5. That's looking good. Same price target here, same TP points, but of course this is the daily time frame, guys. This is the daily time frame. This is going to be a medium to long-term trade for MKR. All right. I hope they're watching the stream, because it is going to be very high risk if you don't know how to properly position size this one. As what you can see right now, I've entered $500 and my 50x leverage, my stop loss is at 1099 when I enter the trade. So that's just one. And your 500 is flushed in the toilet like that. Super high risk MKR. Super high risk trade. Make sure you apply proper position sizing and risk management. All right, guys, not a financial advice again to those who are watching the stream. This is not a financial advice and a trade advice or any other sort of advice. All right, so this is just for educational purposes only and sample purposes. This is not real trade. All right, so I think that's it for today. It's already 11:30 on my time. Let me check if we still have some viewers on the stream. In this bear market, are you still with me, or are you still making cash? Congratulations to those who have entered storage on my Twitter account. So 300% today. Congratulations. Also, if you want to join the Telegram group, I am sharing some charts update here. Some chart update. I think I've shared Bitcoin chart here. So this was yesterday, guys, or this was today actually. Bitcoin's chart and some of the trade setup here. Also, this is one of the copy trade today that was shared in our Telegram group. And if you are following me on Twitter, and if you would like to follow me on Twitter, the link is on the description down below. Just click on the link tree. All my social media accounts are there. Be careful with fake chill traders account. I will not DM you. I will not ask you for anything. All right. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and trade safely. Protect your asset at all times. And don't forget, if you have enjoyed this stream, if you enjoyed content like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.